Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. So, in this video I wanted to talk about the Quest 3 and how you could get a free replacement if you did the upgrade and it destroyed your system, right? So, just to give a little bit of overview really quick, there was an update that was taken out a few days ago, and it completely bricked the system. Some people cannot even use it anymore. So Meta decided that they're going to replace the Quest headsets for free in case they cannot fix it. And I wanted to show you how to do that. So go to the Meta website and you want to log in. I'm already logged into mine. So once you logged in, you want to go to the hamburger menu over here and go all the way down to where it says support, right down here. I'm sure you guys can see it where it says support right here. And after that, what you want to do is you want to click here, and where it says store and device health center, just click on MetaQuest and Quest Pro. And once you give a click here, this should already pop up because it's a big issue, right? We discovered a software update issue that caused some of the Quest 2, 3, and 3S headset to be unresponsive and unable to start up correctly. And they're still working on this. So just hit next step here. And here you could select your Quest. If you have the 2, if you have the 3, it might be out of warranty. Maybe with the 3 it might still work, but I know the 2 is out of warranty and probably the 3. But if you got the 3S, you click on it and it's gonna say, let's check if your Quest device is eligible for replacement, right? And what it's gonna do is gonna ask you for a serial number. To get a serial number is very easy. If you don't know how to do it, you could click here, how to find your Quest serial number. Right here, click on here, and I'm just gonna open it up, and it's gonna give you some instructions here. But I guess the easiest way is in your device. I guess what your left ear will be, you will have this, all these different letters and numbers. Look for the thing that says SN. SN stands for serial number, and then it will have your serial number there. And again, you could go back to here, enter that serial number, and they will let you know if you are eligible to get a free replacement. So let me know in the comment section if your system was so broken that you had to get the free replacement, or if you got it to work and getting a replacement was not needed. It seems that there are different ways to get this working. For example, in this article here, it says if you have an S3 experiencing this problem, you can first try holding the power button for 45 seconds to reboot fully. If that doesn't help, then you could do what I showed you just now. So you could try that, just hold the power button for 45 seconds, see if that works. But if you do have the Quest 3S, you might want to see if you could just get a free replacement. I think that would be the easiest route. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in crypto and if you're interested in investing, check out my channel. This is a channel mostly focused on crypto, and I do talk about other tech related things, but mostly crypto. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.